Now it's the same pattern, adjective followed by say, followed by adjective, but it means slightly different compared to the previous ones. I want you to read it again and tell me the pattern that you're noticing in this one. So if you notice one more thing, in the previous examples, in pattern number 2, there were no numbers. We were not dealing with numbers. Chote se chota kamra. Okay. In this case, it's all numbers. At least 10 minutes or at most 10 people will come to the party. Almost, not almost, all of these have numeric values. Okay. Unlike pattern number 2, these are not extremes like largest possible or smallest possible. And there is constraint. You are showing the minimum lower bound as well as the maximum upper bound. And that could be for quantity, like, 3 pictures, 2 documents, or time, like 10 minutes. Okay, it will take me at most 10 minutes maximum, right? And or cost, 10 rupees or 500 rupees or 1000 rupees, right? So that's why even though in Hindi it's the same pattern, adjective followed by say, followed by adjective. Okay, um, you cannot put them in the same bucket as in the previous one, right? Because in the previous one we were talking about the extremes. In this one you have a bound, like a range, right? So that's why it's easier to split them into different cases, right? The reason you do it, otherwise you will get confused. Like here it means the at least or at most in English. So does it mean when I say the largest possible, right? Does it also mean some sort of at least or at most? In Hindi, it's when you see this one, at least or at most, as some of you already pointed out, it's kam se kam or jada se jada. Now use it in some sentences, right? Um, let's use it in simple sentences, then we can always do the complex one, right? Um, you want to say at least 10 people will come. कम से कम 10 लोग आएंगे. At most 50 people will come. ज्यादा से ज्यादा 50 लोग आएंगे. The doctor is prescribing the medications, and let's say I'm making it up, right? Like they want you to have at least 2 of the vitamin B, or at most like 5, not more than that, right? But they want you to increase the vitamin B level. Yeah. So the tablet, it's still basically goli. It's still used the commonly term विटामिन बी की गोलियां. कम से कम 2 विटामिन की गोलियां लीजिए और ज्यादा से ज्यादा 5 गोलियां लीजिए. Okay, wait at least 10 minutes. To wait is इंतजार, or you are telling someone to do the waiting, right? So इंतजार करना और इंतजार कीजिए. Okay, if it is hard, you can just say wait karna. That's fine too. Wait followed by karna, and that will work. Do the next one. Bring at least 3 pictures or photos. Very good. कम से कम 3 photo लाइए. Okay, and you want to give your bound that I can buy at most 10 tickets. Okay, मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा 10 ticket खरीद सकती हूँ. If you want to give me the promotion or the deal, just give me for the 10. Don't push me for the 12. Right? So that's when you will sort of use this phrase. Invite at most 30 participants. Irregular, right? So कीजिए और करो, right? Or invite, you can also say बुलाइए, right? बुलाइए, bulana, right? So to bulana, it doesn't mean to just call, it also to kind of invite people, right? मैं 10 लोगों को बुला रहा हूँ, or invite कर, you can say invite कर रहा हूँ, that's totally fine. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah? Any questions? I know this was hard probably because you typically we stick to one pattern, but it's still the same pattern actually. कम से कम, ज्यादा से ज्यादा, बड़े से बड़ा, but it means slightly different compared to the previous ones.